Alright, so lately these past couple of days there's been these birds in our tree and they've been dive bombing my mom, and I've watched videos with it. I'm like, dang, this is crazy. And then I'm walking up to the door, right? Dude, do these open? You know, I'm just gonna go through the door. So I'm walking up to the door, something's like boom right by me. I'm like, what the heck? And I noticed those birds. So yeah, it's right there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I opened the door right there. Alright. That bird right there. But yeah, it was dive bombing me. I'm like, what the heck? So I have my my cereal box, right? And now I'm like, oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? Come on, what's up? And then I'm like, wait for it. And they come at me, I'm like, boom, I'm trying to hit it. It dove at me like 3 times. If I can get the video from like my mom, because we have like a camera right there. If I can get the video, I will play it to you guys. Like, it's crazy. But I might go up there again. You know what? Here's a book. I want this thing to come at me. I'm gonna get this on film. But yeah. Alright, let's see what this thing, if we got the balls to. I should just get that dresser, huh? Alright. Alright, don't dive bomb me. I forgot to zoomed in on my face the whole time. Alright. Watch, it's gonna dive bomb me. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm waiting. Oh, I just seen another bird. Oh! You see what I'm saying? Watch out. It's crazy, these birds are violent. Something wrong. Whoa, watch out. I'm gonna start swinging. I'm just trying to get in my house now. These birds crazy, dude. Alright. So I got it live. That counts. So when I leave again, something's gonna go down. Because I'm gonna have my scooter with me. I'm gonna kick with his head. Watch. Hit Kickless or Bri, inward, who knows? Hit him right in his head. But it won't fully come at me, because it came at me. I'm like, boom, boom, right with this bug. Alright, so yeah, my mom is getting my brother. Alright, so all I want to do is move the truck out the driveway, because my mom's supposed to be home. I open the door and the birds are still here, so I can go get a book again. So it's probably gonna dive bomb me again, try to kill me. Just want to get to my car. That's it. Thank you very much. That'd be nice. Oh, there's 2 of them. Alright, can I go back, please? I have to start playing again. I'm trying to get and move the truck. Hello?
You're trying to move your truck?
Yeah, it's in the driveway. But I was about to go out, and then I heard the birds, so I had to get a book.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're leaving the Smith, like down the street from Jeremiah's house.
Okay.
Across from Papa's old Walmart, so we'll be home in a few minutes.
Okay.
Karen said load up.
Said what?
Karen said load up.
Oh, okay. Meet up with this kid Tristan. And it's gonna be pretty fun. So, hold on, I'm gonna film again. See you at Craig. Birthday boy. He turned 11 today.
Shut up. He didn't make it.
How old are you then? Like 18?
15.
Huh?
1-5.
15.
What's
How old are you?
15. How old am I? 14.
Look at the camera. How old are you?
My name's Jeff.
I thought your name's Soup.
My name's Sue. What you are? My
What'd you
name is
say?
Sue.
Oh, Soup. What's up, bro? All right, we're about to get some like birthday clips, and then there's also this kid here, Tristan, and he's gonna bar spin, and oh,
Wait, you didn't put this back.
oh,
Oh, damn.
oh, nice keys, Kevin. Nice locked door, Kevin. And the other door's locked. Here, hold this.
You got a spare key?
Got a spare key in my wallet.
Oh, he's got a spare key.
Aaron, let me get that fight. That man locked his keys in the car. He locked his key in the car.
I got a spare key right here in my wallet. There's a reason. Hello, I'm up here. There's a reason because I did it. Alright, so here's a short story, low key long. Alright, so cocaine, heroin. Alright, anyways, so my grandma called me as I was about to go to Craig like 2 months ago. She's like, can you do me a big favor? I'm like, what? She's like, can you bring me the spare keys? I locked my keys in the car. I was like, okay, I got you. So I spent like 15 minutes out of my way, go get the spare keys for her, unlock the car, and I come straight to Craig. And I get here, get all my pads on, shut the door. I'm like, check for my keys. I'm like, and they're in the ignition. Not right now, but you know, last time. And then I was like, how'd it get unlocked? I forgot I unlocked it. So yeah, then I literally did the same thing. I literally did the same thing after her.
It's
And right now. Stop. All right.
Ow.
So,
Oh. Okay.
hey, you mind if I put your license plate in this?
No.
I
How-
know.
Wait. What was your social security again? Oh, okay. I thought I had it right, but I don't know. Can you correct me?
Okay.
Oh.
It's 666.
If you guess it, I'll tell you yeah or no.
All right, I got you. All right, so 637.
No.
Oh.
No.
All right. You want to just tell me it real quick?
No.
Okay, cool.
Gonna get some clips.
Bro, are you famous? Oh. Yo, look at him. He's only 7, guys. He's the next big
Crazy
thing.
7-year-old tricks. Should we title it?
Crazy-year-old.
Crazy-year-old?
Wait,
Crazy-year-old?
Crazy-year-old. I just realized what I said. Crazy 7-year-old. How old are you?
I don't know.
Are you like 18?
It's my first. No, I think I'm 20.
Yo. Good job.
He got in the middle of my clip.
Oh, come on, bro. That's what famous people do.
Oh. How dare you?
Girl versus boy.
What?
I'm
Wait,
just
what?
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I think he's the golden. What are you? Soup gang.
Soup all day. Soup gang. Let's.
We gotta go.
Ow! It's dying on the floor.
What did you think about that?
I think about it.
Oh, you think about it?
I think about it. Oh!
Does it count?
Does it count?
Does it count? Yeah. It's saying 7-year-old?
What's it called? Oh, a Benny Hunter.
A Benny Hunter. A Benny Hunter.
Yeah, that's it.
A Benny Hunter.
Alright. Let me see that. That was so close.
What happened?
I missed the deck.
Oh, you're supposed to go for the alligator.
What's the alligator?
The spider. We outie.
Oh! Sick tricks, dude.
Thank you.
Alright.
About to bar whip the step up. Oh, this is so hard because mine's like fisheye and like see everything. His, oh, okay.
Said he had 6 million. Roman has like 12 million. I don't know. Stupid. Hey. You almost died.
Ah,
He died
karma.
again.
That's karma.
Karma?
It's gonna slap you.
It's gonna slap me.
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna slap you in the back of your head. Oh my God. You got it. What?
Come on, bro.
Yeah, I got Steve. Head chopping you, Kevin. Sick, bro.
Oh.
Alright, guys, so I'm about to jump vert. Here we go.
Okay, sure deal.
This is totally me, I swear. So I hit spine over here. And I do a nice, what was that, tail whip up the step up. Yeah, I'm just doing some commentary on my video. And then here I go, I drop in. And boom, I hit vert. Bar it too. Yep, and I just hit the 2 other boxes like they're nothing. And then we got Mikey over there. Okay, now that's my brother again.
Alright, so we're about to head to bunker. No Fish Island. But yeah, we're about to head to bunker, so I'll catch y'all there.
Whip. Double whip. Triple whip.
And the triple.
For the end.
1, 2, 8.
Oh, he almost died. Yeah.
Grizzly. Much right, Grizzly. Oh my gosh, much right, Grizzly. Oh my gosh, much right, second. You landed it. Last one, this is it. I got it. Oh my gosh, I missed it.
Excuses. You have no commitment in your body.
I got commitment. I'm gonna commit. Oh, yeah. Oh, you see? Landing. Still landing, right?
It's so serious.
You saw that landing, right? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You go.
I got the board.
Hey, I got it on film.
I'm just gonna back
Alright,
some more.
you got this. Land it right now.
First
I'm
try,
below.
first
You
try.
got this. Eddie.
It's not a good. I quit scootering. Wait.
Okay. Okay. I just wanted to change, position. I did not fall down the ramp. Boy! You got this. You too. You too. And you. And you. Both of you. And you. Go. Jump. Jump. And he's missed the trick again. Yeah. This is it. Think about that.
No, stop, sir.
Alright, don't check my phone. I'll die.
Dude! You don't even pay that huge fee.
Whoa. I have 1 million subscribers.
Oh, so you can pay for the cameo. $500 now. Cameo.
What?
Yeah.
What is a cameo?
Huh? It's when I make an appearance. You need to stop. It just anything. Let's get it. He got it.
Alright, so my brother was cold in the car and he put on his hoodie, but he put this hoodie on over, come on focus, over the seatbelt and he's stuck. Come on, watch out. You farted in here.
What do you mean?
Can't even see.
Oh, it's like stuck. Like I low-key pulled as hard as I can. It's just like suffocating my arm.
I'm dead. I'm gonna help him out real quick.
Because
So how do you feel?
his parents. I wasn't stuck. I don't know what you mean.
It's on film.
How I feel, my arm really hurts.
Can you get down now?
Look, it like cut me.
Bro.
I can't get my shit. Bro.
We're going in the house, but you need to put on. Okay, bye.
What?